Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have a story with Paw Patrol. Look at these construction workers working on the job site. These mighty machines are working so hard. Oh, it's time for our lunch break. It's so hot outside. Oh, why don't we sit under there to cool off? That sounds like a great idea. I'm ready to eat. Are you hungry? I'm so hungry. I'm definitely ready for a break. It's been a great day at the job site. We've gotten so many things done. We sure have. Oh, I can't imagine what we're going to be able to finish the rest of the day. Hey, what's that sound? What sound? That rumble? I don't know. Ah! Oh no, there has been an accident at the job site. We need Paw Patrol. Hey, Rubble. Hey, Marshall. This is exactly who I need. What's the problem, Ryder? We have an emergency at the construction site. There's been a rock slide. Rubble, I need you to take your bulldozer. And Marshall, I need you to take your fire truck. No problem, Ryder. I'm all fired up. No problem, Ryder. It's a Rubble on the double. Well, we made it. We sure did, but I don't see any problems. It looks like the job site is closed for the day. Yeah, I wonder what Ryder was talking about. There's no one around. Ah, help! Help! Did you hear that? I sure did. It sounded like it was coming from over there. Let's go check it out. Oh no, the workers have been buried under this rock. We better get them out. They might be injured. Let's get started. First, we should move this out of the way. Yeah, let's give it a try. We'll be back for you right away, guys. The crane's here ready to help. Yay, let's move this out of the way. Now it's time for you to get your bulldozer. We need to uncover these construction workers as quick as we can. Right on it. Here's our first construction worker. Oh dear, I'm gonna have to put him right into my fire truck and do some first aid. Now I can start helping the poor construction worker. I better get him over to the rescue vehicle. Here's the other construction worker, Marshall. They don't look like they're very hurt, but we better take him to the hospital to make sure. Sounds great. Let's get him into your fire truck. Well, I better get going. We have some construction workers to rescue. Bye, Marshall. Now what should I do? I think I should have some fun on the construction site while I'm waiting to hear if the people are okay. Oh, I'm getting a phone call. It's probably Marshall. Let's find out how the construction workers are. Yeah, Marshall, it's me, Rubble. Hey, Rubble. How are you? I'm doing good. I've just been doing some bulldozing. Oh, that sounds like lots of fun. Well, I've got some good news. You do? What's that? Well, it looks like everything checks out with our construction workers. Yay, that's great news. There's only one problem. What's that? One of them lost their lunch under the rocks. Could you help them find it? Sure, but I don't think it'll be any good anymore. I know. He just wants to see where it's at. Okay, will do. What am I looking for? It's a chocolate chip muffin. Ooh, that sounds like lots of goodness. Sure, I'll start looking for it now. I found it and it actually looks like it's still good to eat. It smells so good. I really want a chocolate chip muffin. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.